इतना सफर है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते, नानपुर से दूर अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं है। क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
Good afternoon, one and all. Thank you so much, all the friends and family who have joined us today. Happy Rakhi to all the brothers and sisters who are witnessing this 79th episode of Business Opportunity with Chai series. We are welcoming you to this particular webinar, which will be hosted by Mr. Maria, who is the chairman at Franchise India Group, along with our second panel member, Ms. Sonia Chaudhary. She is the MD at Franchise India Brands Limited. And we are glad and representing you one of the India's finest brand, Spikey. Yes, the brand of the day today is Spikey. And we have founder, MD, chairman of Spikey, Mr. Ramni Iyer, talking about this great brand digitally with each one of you. Spikey is India's largest power bank retail network. But before we invite Ramni sir for a presentation, we would like to play a small video for each one of you. Welcome, sir. Over to you to talk about this great brand.
Welcome, Ram, sir. This is a privilege for all of us to have you. Just to give audience a little brief, Ramni sir is a very, very experienced entrepreneur. He co-founded Just Dial, so he is one of the most successful entrepreneurs India has seen. And now in his personal capacity, he also makes investment in emerging technologies, emerging businesses. And one of the investments which we are going to present, and we are very privileged that he himself came and presented this opportunity on the forum for all entire Franchise India audience, both at the Facebook Live and also on the webinar. So thank you, Ramni sir, for you two taking time out and personally coming and presenting. And we would love to hear from you not only on this, but I think your overall journey and your investment space, which you continue to invest in emerging businesses and emerging ideas. Over to you, sir, for presenting the opportunity.
Thank you very much. Thanks for this opportunity. I try to share the best possible. Just want to as you introduced me, as a Justdial co-founder. Yes, I've been a co-founder and a director of Justdial for the last 26 years and still continue to be. And last year, I just took a sabbatical for a year and tried to venture into certain ideas which has been going on in my mind because I've been traveling a lot across the world. Been picking ideas and some good thing which is happening. Always thought like, yes, India should also have. And normally I used to blame like why India doesn't have it. And one such visit last year when it happened, so my wife said like every time you say like India doesn't have it, why don't you yourself start something? You can do anything in India, so why don't you start? One such idea which I picked it now is the Spikey. Apart from that, I also have other ventures which has been floated and parallelly running. I'm also into EV bikes and all, which will be coming very soon, getting into production, and very soon I'll be offering franchisee for that, also a dealership and franchisee. We'll surely discuss on that again. Is a smart bike which you can drive from home to metro to office, and pack it in a bag and go to the office and come back and ride smoothly again. Yeah, even for the kids to go to the tuitions and other things, they can use this kind of bike. Very smart bike, very easy to use, and very user friendly. This is what we're going to launch somewhere towards the end of this August. So we'll surely talk about that too again. Apart from Justdial, I also into some kind of manufacturing and other thing of power cords and all, which is doing really well. In fact, all the gadgets, what you see in your house, if you just pick up the power cord from that power cord with the 3-pin plug, right? You just pick that and see JC will be written, and that JC brand is mine. Is Just Connect Electricals is a company name where I've been manufacturing very successfully. All this company like Samsung, Panasonic, Bosch to Whirlpool to Symphony, anything you think of, we have been a part of that. And we are the most selected brand for your, right now, the ventilator which is going on. The government is manufacturing ventilator. So they picked our company as the company to supply the power cost to all the ventilator. So entire India, 90% of the ventilator which has been manufactured, and we are the guys who are supplying power cords to them. So that has been one more success on the other side of the business part of it. And very recently, to understand, like if we as a Spike company, we have been, first we launched it like we just want to create it to the need of the people, which is like, today you see everybody uses smartphone, and we all come across the time in every day. In fact, people like me, I come across at least every day once where my battery get drained out, and I'm in lookout for how to charge my mobile phone. Even though I have 4 power banks lying at my house, but when I carry my mobile, I forget to carry my power bank with me. And the crisis always happen when I'm there in a place of a meeting, somewhere outside after the work. Those kind of time, I don't have a charger with me to charge my mobile phone. So this Spike is nothing but going to help people who are in constant need of a mobile phone, who always wanted to be connected with the phone, and whose all their numbers, everything saved in the mobile phone, entire work, entire personal details are saved in the, who can't live even for a second without the mobile phone in the hand. This for those people, we are going to be there to help them to charge their mobile phone anywhere, any point of a time across India. Launched it on the 15th of February 2020, and we were successful to deploy almost closer to some 3,200 odd stations. Each station, what you saw in the video, a blue color box, which got multiple power banks. And these stations, we just placed it into 3,000 plus play across India. Already signed up for more than 16,000 outlets, and many more are requesting us to go and install it. Now, to scale up the entire thing, one, the market, we need to see that markets are open and so free movements are there, because still Bangalore like city and all, we have done the maximum kind of installation. We have done it good in Chennai too, before the lockdown could happen, in full-fledged lockdown could happen in Chennai. Delhi also, we have done a very decent number of deployment. And we have done it in Mumbai. Again, the lockdown didn't allow us to do it in the way we wanted to do it. Calcutta, similar case. And Jaipur, Chandigarh also, we had been able to successfully launch it. Now, these power banks are already in the use. Very happy to share with you all. So totally from the 15th of February till date, we happen to rent out our power bank for more than 1 lakh minutes. Okay, 1 lakh minute of rental has already happened. People have been using it. Even after lockdown, like I'm just saying, like even then also we could achieve that kind of a number, and which is a good thing to start off. If at all the lockdown was not there, by now we would have installed almost 1 lakh power banks across 1 lakh stations across India, and more than 10 lakh power bank would have been there floated in the market. So currently, because we are in the 2 stage of thing right now. We are happy to introduce this franchise kind of a thing, appointing people, because our goal is to reach out across India in every city, every town possible. That is the foreign goal for us. But right now we started the market only with the 10 cities, the top cities, which is Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Calcutta, Delhi, Chandigarh, Jaipur, Coimbatore, Pune. So these are the cities we picked up as the first round to just start off, and slowly we'll mature to other cities again. So we try to work, initially we try to work in a cluster wise. In each city we have made multiple cluster, and we have tried to offer people to take a franchise and run the thing. But later on we just realized, like if I had to focus on zone wise, efficiency will be different, and I have very limited stations right now ready with me. I have to deploy it in more effective ways. So what I did, like I just ended up in approaching the airports. Right now we have signed up with all the airports across India. In all the airports we are going to find our stations available. We also been successful signing up with metro stations. Delhi metros, every station you're going to find 2 towers available. 2 tower means each tower got 3 stations. That is a understanding. And similarly, we signed up for Calcutta, we signed up for Jaipur, Chennai, Bangalore. All these metros we already signed up. Apart from this, we have also signed up with many of the good corporates, big names you think of. You're going to find very soon, once the lockdown get opened, you're going to find stations across all the Aditya Birla Group brands. Louis Philippe, Van Heusen, and many more. All the brands of this thing, Peter England, more departmental stores. Everywhere you're going to find these stations going to be available. And also signed up with lots of eateries and restaurants and all these guys. Even if you talk about, like, even we have gone to a level of the Cafe Coffee Day, all the outlets we have already deployed, and is going to be any city you go, you're going to find in Cafe Coffee Day stations are going to be there. We signed up with some of the Vada Pav kind of a brands like Goli Vada Pav. We signed up with McDonald's. We signed up with Just Bake kind of a bakery shop kind of a thing. Some Chinese chain of restaurants we have signed up. Lots of corporate like Amazon, Accenture, IBM, Wipro. We are signed up there in the cafeteria. You're going to find these towers place kind of a thing, and many more are there. Many more are there. So when I'm talking about 16,000 places we are signed up, so there many more big brands are there. Nothing is coming to mind. In fact, our Uclean has also shown interest to put it in all their outlets. That is also one big support. And we have Zolo. In all the Zolo rooms kind of a thing, in their premise, you're going to find these towers are going to be there. We are signed up here with Oyo. All their hotels, you're going to see our stations. Okay. So we are able to manage to sign up all these places. Like, so what I'm looking for now is people now for the current thing, whatever I deployed, if somebody can take the responsibility, own these places, and invest in the company on the station, pulse station kind of a thing, and what they can do, like earning come from those station will be their earning kind of a thing. And next stage will be as and when I open the market for bigger area kind of a thing, I will be allowing these people to market from there and too. And prospect customer, whichever place they get the business from. Okay, so they are going to get the earning from those places again. I hope I'm clear on this point. Okay, so what is Spike Charger? If you can go to the next slide. So we are the three founders of this company. We have Mr. Pawan and Mr. Anand, who just joined me for this particular business. Both of them are coming with a very rich experience, 20 and 21 years of experience working in the US. And both have been working into this kind of charging technology and all for all this while. And they also built in a wireless charger before joining me on the Spike part of it. They were manufacturing wireless chargers, supplying to some of the big car dealers and all, where in the car you can place, you have a wireless charger where you place a mobile, it'll get charged. And that's what they've been doing it. And then we got collaborated, these ideas. Even they were also been working on the similar idea. I was also working on the similar idea. And we saw a synergy, we just floated this particular company. Next slide. So the typical station looked like this, the Spike one, the blue box, and the charger is, the power bank look like this, which comes with the inbuilt pins for iPhone and Android phones. All the three type of pins, which is right now in popular market, which is already there, that this comes with the universal pins. And these all are coming with a fast charge. So within maybe 45 minutes to 1 hour time, you'll be able to charge your entire battery, entire mobile phone. The full charge will happen. And this is a power bank. Like you get lots of power bank outside in the market, but they are not certified by Apple. But we are the only guys who have been certified by the Apple for this particular thing. So it comes with the Apple certifications, which is a very big thing. Again, that way it says it is more secure for your mobile phone. Entire system works like this. These stations are put into multiple premise, and we centrally control the entire thing through via this IoT platform. So we will get to know which station got how many power banks, which need to be replaced with furthermore power bank need to be supplied to those stations, and how to guide these people who are looking for returning the power bank to the stations where the empty slots are available, and how to guide people to places where more power banks are available. So this is some system which we have been doing it, which we'll be doing it from the central office in Bangalore and controlling the entire Indian operations. We have lots of scheme right now. We'll be launching it very soon. Like we are encouraging people to use our Spike thing. Like each of this power bank will carry some daily offer from retail outlets. Like any retail outlets can advertise in this power bank by giving a day's offer. Somebody can say, show this power bank today and buy one and get one free kind of an offer. Okay, it could be a t-shirt, it could be in a pub, in a drink possible, it could be anything possible. So those kind of an offer can run through these power banks. You can also have schemes like, shit.
So by the time Mr. Iyer is back, I will give you a little synopsis for our audience. This is a revolutionary product. It's very, very successful in other parts of the world. I think he's back now. Anything? We can see you now, Mr. Ayer. I think we can get started. You must have run out of battery.
That's right. I didn't realize that.
Yeah.
Okay. My apology. So these retail outlets can promote their any kind of yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay, sorry. So where I was just explaining this advertising in the power bank, which actually what happens like these kind of a scheme when it runs through, an user will get encouraged to go and use our power bank more and more. So any retail outlet where we have like Van Heusen, yeah, any of the restaurants, and I think all these guys will be able to use these power banks to advertise and promote their own products, right? So today I get an access, I might get encouraged to go and encash this particular offer for the day, and I'm going to benefit a lot in that. So this way, we expect like more and more users will be engaged with the Spike for these kind of offers, which has been getting. We are going to advertise a lot in fact, we had come up with some of the very nice creatives, very entertaining, the funny ones, which we'll be playing in all the multiplexes. So PVR is one of the brand which we have signed up, where every screen in PVR, you're going to find our stations available inside the screen, so that when you're watching a movie, you can charge your mobile, keep watching a movie and return the power bank and you can go home. So you have a 3 hours of entertainment at the same time your mobile is getting charged. So in the premise, common area premise also going to come. And next we'll also go to Inox and other brands again. Because of lockdown, we couldn't sign up with them. So they asked us to connect with them later on. So we are going to advertise on all the movie halls, entire movie halls, whichever, it could be a single screen, it could be multiplexes, we're going to advertise there to create an awareness for this particular thing. So user engagement, we are doing lots of efforts so that more and more users will come in. We're also going and doing some workshops in corporate companies and encouraging people to sign up for a Supreme package kind of a thing from the corporate side, wherein these people will be given on a monthly basis thousands of rupees worth of freebies, gift vouchers, discount coupons, and everything they will keep getting to their end. It could be from a grocery store, it could be from a garment shop, yeah, whatever it is. They'll be getting lots of such offers. So this will encourage them. They're going to help them to save lots of money, not only save money, they're going to get thousands of rupees. It could be 10,000, 12,000 rupees worth of coupons, which will be coming to them on a daily, monthly basis to their end, if they're part of the Supreme package. So this is something going to encourage these guys to be a part of this ecosystem. And since we are also placing the stations inside their premise again, right? So usage is also going to be high in these places. The next slide. So typically how it works, like if we have an app called Spike, you go to spike.com as of now. Very soon we'll be launching the app also. Because in this kind of a business, app is actually not required because once in a while you're going to use it. So you just go to the website called spike.com and you can create a shortcut to your mobile, okay? And you can start using it. All you need to do is just go search for the nearest location. Automatically when it will identify the nearest where you are located and it will start showing you the nearest location where you can get the Spike. So go there, scan the barcode. Okay, as soon as scan the barcode, the power bank will pop up. charge it, and you return it to your convenience. Like you can take it from one area and you can go and return it in any other area also. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं कि you can take it from मुंबई का एयरपोर्ट से आपने पिक किया, दिल्ली के एयरपोर्ट में जाकर रिटर्न भी कर सकते हैं. You can do that kind of a thing because it's available. These 10 cities, so right now we can just pick it from anywhere and return anywhere. That is possible. End goal will be to reach out to the maximum places. So that is right. Next. These are the cities which I already mentioned, and already we signed up to all these places. In fact, we have signed up in many of the good universities also. Amity, Ganga, Priya, this university in Delhi, even Christ College, IIT, Chennai, all these premises, again, these power banks are going to be available. We already signed up. Lots of hospitals like Apollo, Aster, kind of these hospitals, we also signed up. All that in the front of the ICU, in the waiting lounge, everywhere you're going to find these station available. We also signed up with tech parks like you're in Bangalore. I can just talk about Embassy. All the Embassy tech parks, our stations will be available. We already installed it in Embassy Manita Tech Park. We already done it. Almost 10 towers we have put in, and they are going to give more places like lift lobby and other things. They're going to allow us to place our towers. So that is also soon is going to happen. And the hotels also, Hilton Hotel, we have signed up. We have signed up. Taj is also given us a letter of thing, so we can put our stations. And only thing, there's some kind of a design change, something they've been requesting. And meanwhile, this lockdown happened, this got pushed up. But 99% chances that Taj Hotel going to have our spike charging in their lobbies. Okay, also in their bar, wherever they have. Lots of spas we have signed up, spas and salons. Some of the big names also like Culprit and Gym kind of a thing, they are also signed up with us. Restaurant chains is of course done. Many of the malls, big leading malls also been signed up. Since it's Bangalore, I told the maximum deployment happened. So all the big malls in there, whether it's Gopal and Phoenix, Forum, Arams at Galleria, all these places we already installed our stations. Okay. So once the public movement starts, usage is going to go high. And I'm sure like it's going to happen very soon, maybe from September onwards, we might get back to some kind of at least a 75% of a normal life will start leading. So I'm hoping for that. So automatically these businesses are going to grow. Next level. These are some of the brands we already signed up, which been there. There's very small number, but big brand names, which we just able to show you, which I already discussed. Hyderabad Airport, we just did it in the outer portion of Hyderabad Airport. We had installed it. Inside we couldn't go because of the lockdown. Now everything starts moving now. Bangalore Airport as well as Delhi, Bangalore and Hyderabad. All the installation will start after 15th of August. In Bangalore Metro, you can find it in every entry and exit. Both the spot you'll find the installation is already done. 24/7 Delhi, one of the leading departmental store which has been there. We had installed. In fact, you'll find our station in every 24/7 outlets. So that is there. WeWorks again. Almost some 5 outlets, we already, 5 of their WeWork, this thing we already deployed it, and many more we need to do, it's in the pipeline. So we also will be signing up with some of these leading banks like HDFC, Axis Bank and all. In there, we are trying to put our station next to their ATM counters. So people will come for ATM, this thing, they will also take a power bank and go. People are coming for power, this thing also withdraw some money and go, whichever could be possible. Next slide. So this is what I already told you. Who are the people? Like this is again, this is not is a borrowed idea from China. In China, this is a super success business. There are almost 50 lakh power bankers getting rented out on a daily basis in China, and it is like you will find it in the, even in the zoo, even in a park, you will find anywhere you go, you will find such kind of power banks rental is available. They just scan through WeChat and the automated WeChat through they do the payment and it is being done. Each person, somebody are tied up with the Paytm, somebody are tied up with WeChat. So that Alipay kind of a thing. So this is a very, very popular business in China. And this, I got to see this particular product in Singapore. And there's a time when I was there in last May, I was in Singapore, where I saw this particular thing. And I just said like, wow, such a nice idea. India doesn't have it. My wife said like, why don't you start? And I said, okay, Tika, let me bring it to India and let me be the pioneer to do this. And I'm very confident like this is going to be a thing because I did a survey. After doing that, I just used on students and other thing to do a survey into multiple places. What I identified like every smartphone user, right? We just went and checked out like you have a smartphone. He said, yes. Can you just tell me what is the percentage of battery in your mobile phone? They say XYZ. Then we asked a question, have you ever come across like your battery got drained out and you had to recharge the battery and you don't have a charger with you? 100% of the people said yes, that kind of thing they came across. When we checked out like how many days in a month you get today, we could study like a average of 3 to 4 days in a month. Every smartphone user come across a situation where he need to charge his mobile phone and he doesn't have a charger with him. So we cater to that. Okay, it's a big number we are talking about. We are talking about a very big number. You see, 48% of our Indian population use mobile phone, and out of that, almost 28% of the people are using smartphone. So the 28% of the population which is using smartphone, 3 to 4 days in a month, if they're coming across a situation, they need to charge a mobile phone, and if they are going to rent out, think Spike as a product to rent out. I'm just telling you, yes, we have something big business coming in. Yeah, next slide. This is what I already explained. So you'll find it like today, the very extensive usage of mobile phone happening, be it entertainment related, yeah, be it for a business purpose, whatever it is, like we need even whether to do a bank transfer, whether for shopping, whether for hiring a Ola, Uber kind of a cab, you need this. In fact, nowadays we don't even remember our family members' phone numbers. To do that also, we need a mobile number, phone ready in our hand. So mobile phone has become a part and parcel of your life, and smartphone users are more addicted to this usage of this phone, and they are in high need of this kind of a support, rental support. Okay. Yeah, next. So what we are just, this again, we'll be talking about a smartphone user, like, yeah, who are these guys? When you talk about who are these smartphone users, these guys are owning a mobile phone which worth more than 10 to 15K, right? The basic phone itself, smartphone comes for 10 to 15,000 bucks, and they are owning this kind of a product. And now they are also like, we have done also one more survey of study, and which has also been supported by some international research again. The people who own iPhone, right? These guys are the spendthrift. They spend on impulse a lot. Okay, they do shopping left and right. And the people who use Android, they always look for to shop wherever there's an offer or discount available. This is a mentality has been studied. This is a very high, the worldwide study which has also been supporting this, apart from whatever research we did at our end. So smartphone usage pattern also we identified. So we want these people to use our service to the optimum possible. The impulse buyers like iPhone users, if you're able to reach them, they're surely going to buy with good, attractive stuff if you're able to reach out to them. And by giving them offer to the Android users, we will make sure that we have more number of sales happening. So today we are seeing like because of the online business growing day by day, and because of this lockdown which has been happened, more people got used to online shopping and all, the retail business might look little kind of insecure kind of a thing for time being, because people already got used to online shopping, might continue to do online shopping, might not think to come to retail outlet to buy stuff. But it is our responsibility to make sure that we pull these guys in some way or the other to our store, make them feel the product, check out the new availability, and also attract them with offer and make them buy stuff. So we are, as a company, we are going to support all the retail outlets to get the maximum footfall to their end. Okay, maximum footfall to their end. That is our focus. So we will be promoting everything by just attracting people to walk down to an outlet and give them business. That is what our focus will be, and targeting as per the usage as we told. Okay. So promotional part, we already told you, we'll be doing lots of promotion on a local market kind of a thing, wherever there's a huge deployment has happened, whichever area, because right now we focus only on commercial area is what we focus initially to install our stations. And so we'll be doing lots of local promotion over there by road shows and all. Then movie hall and social media and all those stuff, we'll be doing it. And these kind of brand promotion, we also have something worked out, like it's something a lucky draw. The total number of power bank which will be used, different people go and rent out a power bank, right? So each power bank gets as a number, unique ID number type, okay, and the user detail. So based on that, we'll be doing a daily lucky draw, and we'll be giving them thousands of rupees worth of shopping vouchers, okay, where they can go to any of the stores and encash it. Okay, so these kind of a thing on a daily offer we are going to give it. This is going to encourage people to come back and start using our stations. Let me just talk about our power banks are thermally treated inside. Okay, it's more secure. I can just tell you at least almost 80% we are trying to see to it that our power bank are safe to use, because we are getting thermal sanitization happening within the box. So when you return the box, it will get thermally sanitized and then only made available to the market to use. So it will more safer. I can't say 100% proof kind of a thing, but yes, it has been proven like yes, it minimizes the risk part of it. Next. So what is that now? What is the business thing which I'm offering you now? You see, a typical franchisee, how it works initially, like you take a zone and you take the responsibility of installing the station in that particular zone. आप एक टेरिटरी ले लेंगे और उस टेरिटरी में जाके आपका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होगा कि मैं इस एरिया में जितने भी पॉसिबल है वहां पे मैं इंस्टॉल करूँ. तो वो आपका टारगेट होता है. वो हमने क्या किया है कि उसको हमने सेकंड स्टेज के लिए रखा है. अभी हम बता रहे हैं हमने आपके लिए इंस्टॉलेशन कर चुके हैं, डिफरेंट एरिया में डिफरेंट जगह पे हमने इंस्टॉलेशन कर दिया. आप चाहे तो इसमें इन्वेस्ट करके यू कैन बी अ ओनर ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग फॉर नेक्स्ट 3 years के लिए. अगला 3 साल के लिए यू विल बी ओनर ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, wherein we have 2 options available with you. Okay, one is like आप पे करोगे only $32,000, ओके, प्लस जीएसटी वगैरह पे करेंगे. उसके बाद उसमें क्या होता है कि आप उसमें से जितने भी जो अर्निंग जो है, ओके, अप टू अ लेवल आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट जो टोटल जो इंक्लूडिंग जो जीएसटी अमाउंट जो आपने जो पेमेंट किया है, वो पेमेंट रिसीव करने तक एंटायर अर्निंग विल बी योर अर्निंग. Once you achieve the $37,760 of earning, okay, उसके बाद जो है 60% हमारा रहेगा, 40% अर्निंग आपका रहेगा. तो ये एक प्रपोजल हम दे रहे हैं. इसके बाद जो जब भी आप कहीं से भी इन्वेस्टमेंट भी, इसके बाद क्या होता है कि आपको ये पेमेंट जो है, आप लोकली कहीं पे भी आपको यदि लेना चाहते हैं तो आप खुद भी प्रॉस्पेक्ट करके आप डब्बा लगा सकते हैं. पर डब्बे के लिए आपको इतना अमाउंट पे करना पड़ेगा. अंडरस्टैंडिंग विल बी द सेम. सेकेंड प्रपोजल इज नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. ओके, इसमें आपको अर्निंग का अपॉर्चुनिटी का जो दिखाई दे रहा है आपको कि व्हाट कुड बी द पॉसिबल. देयर आर हायर चांसेस. द पॉइंट लाइक हमने यदि ये देखा कि मिनिमम यूसेज भी हम कैलकुलेट करके लेते हैं कि भैया हम यदि 15% ऑफ आवर नंबर्स हम अचीव करते हैं, तो एक 10 पावर बैंक रहते हैं एक स्टेशन में, उसमें से एवरी डे 3 पावर बैंक भी रेंट आउट हो जाते हैं। जबकि मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, पहले चीज बताना चाहता हूँ, व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल ऑफ रेंटल पॉसिबल फ्रॉम वन स्टेशन। 10 पावर बैंक्स, each power bank got a potential to rotate 3 times in a day. Okay, so totally 30 power banks is what can be rented from one station. That is a high potential. ठीक है, मैं यदि ये लेके चलता हूं कि ओनली 3 पावर बैंक आपके जो है इज गेट रेंटेड आउट ऑफ द 10, मल्टीप्लाई टाइम भी मैं नहीं ले रहा हूं, ओनली 3 पावर बैंक गेट रेंटेड आउट। Okay, each power bank a person pay $20 as a rental. Okay, तो आपको कितना मिल रहा है आपको? 3 into 20, 60 रुपीज कमाने को मिल रहा है एक स्टेशन से। So $60 into 365 days, आप यदि कैलकुलेट करते हैं, 1 second, So $60 into 60 रुपीज पर, जब इससे कमा के आप 365 डेज में 21,900 रुपीज आप कमा पाएंगे। ओके, ये हम मिनिमम यूसेज की बात कर रहे हैं कि 3 पावर बैंक की, जबकि मैं बोल रहा था एक स्टेशन से 10 पावर बैंक 3 गुना रोटेट हो सकता है, 3 टाइम इट कैन रोटेट। सो इवन इफ आई से इंस्टेड ऑफ 3 द यूसेज बिकम 6, राइट, यूसेज बिकम 6, तो ये टोटली जो है आपका 44,000 रुपीज तक का आपको कमाने को मिल रहा है। ओके, वही जगह पे 10 हो गया है, तो यू कैन जस्ट कैलकुलेट इट, 10 into 20, $200 into 365 days, it is coming to 73,000 rupees. और जिस टाइम पे भी ये मैक्सिमम पीक में चला जाता है, आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट लाइक ओवरनाइट ये सब हो जाएगा, बट विद द ऑफर एंड अदर थिंग क्या पता रेस्पॉन्स कैन बी मच बेटर पॉसिबल। यदि मैक्सिमम ऑप्टिमाइजेशन हो जाते हैं तो इट्स अर्निंग इज गोइंग टू बी आई एम जस्ट सेइंग टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द 3rd year कैन एवरीथिंग आप जब पहुंचेंगे, मे बी द ऑप्टिमम यूसेज लेवल तक हम पहुंच सकते हैं। इवन वी आर डूइंग दैट, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट $219,000। ओके, एक साल का अर्निंग 2,19,000 रुपए का जो है आपका अर्निंग बनेगा अगेंस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ जस्ट वॉट एवर इन्वेस्टमेंट, सॉरी, उसमें से आप यदि ये लेके चलते हैं, आपका पैसा रिटर्न आने के बाद आपका जो अर्निंग रहेगा एक्स्ट्रा इसमें 40%, that means आप यदि 32,000 रुपीज स्पेंड करके you're earning on a station, spending that, you will be taking back at least 87,600 रुपीज आप कमा के लेके जाएंगे। That is the earning proposition from one station possible. Okay, अब इसी जगह पे you go to the next option. तो सेकेंड ऑप्शन हमारे पास है कि आप 45,000 रुपीज आप पे करेंगे 3 साल के लिए, आपको अगला 3 साल के लिए जो भी अर्निंग होगा 100% आप ही का होगा, हमें कोई रेवेन्यू शेयर करने की जरूरत नहीं है। Whatever earning coming from for next year, okay, entire earning will be yours. So right now there is a good opportunity है, you can own stations in the airport में भी station own कर सकते हैं, मेट्रो में भी own कर सकते हैं, ये सब open है अभी, जो जहां हमने already sign up करके install करके रखे हैं, you can own these stations. That could be a very good return on investment. इसमें जितना भी earning होगा, that is it is going to come to you. So in my knowledge, my experience, मैं बता रहा हूँ कि ये जो second option जो है is a super win for you. and if you can own this for next 3 years, or 3 साल के बाद वापस we'll sit across, understanding the revenue part of it, a new contract agreement will be signed. Okay, this understanding is only for 3 years of leasing period के लिए 45,000 rupees plus 8,100 आप देगी GST में, 53,000 rupees will be your investment. So your earning can be like when I'm talking to you over 21 और जो 21,000 मैंने जो बताया था 3 यूसेज के लिए भी एवरेज का इनटू वो 1 साल का है, 3 साल में करता हूं तो 63,000 रुपीज कमा रहे हो, 53,000 लगा के मिनिमम यूसेज में आपको 63,000 रुपीज रिटर्न मिलेगा. ओके, यही चीज को आप 6 यूजर करते हैं तो इट इज कमिंग टू 1,26,000 रुपीज कमाएंगे आप. ओके, सेम थिंग अगेन यू आर डूइंग इट लाइक ए ऑप्टिमम यूसेज करते हैं तो लगभग आपका अर्निंग पोटेंशियल है ऑलमोस्ट 2 लाख. 1 सेकेंड, $2,19,000 into 3. 6,57,000. 3 साल में आप 53,000 रुपीज लगा के आप 3 साल में 6,50,000 रुपीज कमाने का पोटेंशियल रखते हैं. आप यदि उसका 50% भी कमा लेते हैं वर्स कम वर्स सिनेरियो में, you still made a very big money on your investment. So एक है कि investing and stay put. दूसरा आप यदि जैसे आप रेंट आउट में लेते हैं इसका, anybody who's investing more than 100 station के लिए इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, they directly get eligible for, we have a zone wise हमारे पास टेरिटरी है, उसमें आप eligible हो जाते हैं, okay, to become a franchisee of Spike. तो वो जोन में जितने भी इंस्टॉलेशन है आपके रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहेगा. You prospect customers, you bring it to us, and we will take care of all the installation, everything, marketing, promoting, सब कुछ हम करेंगे उसमें. To get into the franchisee model में, you have to rent out at least 100 units from us. Understood?
Sure.
I think in any other slide, I don't think so is there, no? Next one. Yeah.
Thank you.
Any questions? Yeah, you can ask.
We will take some questions now, very well explained. And just for everybody understanding, this is a fabulous concept. It's very revolutionized in Asia. Particularly in Asia, started with China. It became a revolution there because China also has a lot of young people, student population like similar to India. And India, we have multiple issues because a lot of people who are on the work, especially people who drive two-wheelers, and they go to different spots, they're using the mobile all day, and they have no ability to really every time not carry their power banks or charging their power banks and things like that. So it's an opportunity. And they have, what they've done is that they've really re-engineered the whole business model for India. It's not a convenience model where it's not only a convenience model which gives you a power bank any place, and 20 rupees is not so much of charge. You get, if you're sitting on a meeting or you're visiting some place and you're going to spend 2 hours there, say you are in a salon, if you're 2 hours there, then probably you will put your phone on charge and pay another 20 rupees. And these are services which retailers might also offer as a bundle. So they might say that, oh, come to our haircut. And like there used to be a time where you used to say Wi-Fi free. Now charging free also would mean that the retailer might pay the 20 rupees, because if you're charging a 300 rupees or 400 rupees for haircut, you don't mind putting 20 rupees for this, for your customer service better. So it has an opportunity. It has very high traffic locations. Traffic locations would be places like airports, metro stations. They are going to be high traffic locations. The throughput per outlet per unit would be very high. It can go into 3 times rotation of 10 power banks. They also have a bigger towers also, which has multiple other power banks, which are only designed for large occupancies, and that also is there. But the smaller unit which you saw, which is a beautifully designed unit, it also has a marketing capability on that. This is a very durable unit, so it's very robust in that sense. People would asking that how's the durability of the entire thing. All that after maintenance and management of the banks and so on so forth is taken care by the head office. So the franchisee or the person who's taking the lease doesn't have to bother on that. So you have, it is also 100% secure. So you have no reason to lose it because everybody's number is attached. When you do a barcoding, it attaches to your payment structure. So if people don't return, sometimes they lose it. They have to pay the full price for the bank. So technically, there is never any loss in the business model. So people, sometimes youngsters lose their banks and they automatically it gets deducted from their amount and so on and so forth, and everything is insured. So fundamentally, there is relatively no risk on the asset. The only thing which I think when I had a detailed discussion earlier, the model was very clearly taking and giving exclusivity on a region. And because Mr. Ramani comes from a strong financial and investment background, so he went ahead and deployed himself. So rather than waiting for franchisees to come and pay money, and most of the companies do that, he didn't do that. He brought all the product to test the proof of test. He deployed himself. Now, I think the big path has been achieved. Earlier, the franchise model, when we started, the franchisee was supposed to go and create contracts with coffee chains and PVRs and likes of them, which I think they have now decided and taken all that responsibility. So which means that they've tied up already with all the major players. And I think because they are first mover, this is a creative concept, they would now get almost every other player also. And now it is a great opportunity, especially in these times where you can be part of an opportunity and you can own a particular unit, and both models are available. One is where you have sharing post your recovery of monies and whatever happens sooner, which means that in 6 months you get your investment, whatever you invested, and then the sharing becomes 60-40, 60 goes to the company and 40 comes to you. And the second model is beautiful. I like that model more because I feel that with a very small differential of money, you actually get the full potential to earn completely. And the business model really changes. And I think, the company has designed this model because they want to encourage a lot of entrepreneurs who can participate in this revolutionary concept. And it's also about first mover advantage, who goes into the market very quickly. So I'll start with a few questions, Ramani sir.
One more I just want to add in. We also have opened the door for people to invest in the company on a CCPS model. Okay, wherein like in the CCPS means you invest today, where the entry point is 10 lakh rupees is the entry point. You invest 10 lakh rupees, we'll issue a certificate, but the valuation of this, and how many shares you will get to know only once I get the first valuation coming from any Series A fund. Okay, any of the VC, when they come in and evaluate my company and they invest into the company, right? Whatever value they set, in that you are going to get a 30% discount and you'll be allocated shares. Right? Suppose today you invest 10 lakh rupees, okay, with a minimum interest, you can go. We are trying to raise 50 CR from this investment. So you can go to any level, even 1 CR, 10 CR, whatever you want to put in, you can put in. Just to calculation, I'm explaining you. If you're putting 10 lakh rupees investment in this company, okay, we'll give you a certificate like you're a shareholder of the company, but how many shares numbers will not be told. But suppose if a VC coming and investing by per share 100 bucks, okay. So in your 10 lakhs, actually you should be getting only 10, that is 100 by 10,000 shares you should be getting. Right?
It's a very good model.
So instead of 10,000 shares, you will be getting a 30% discount. So it will be 14,200 or shares is what you're going to get in return when the CCPS, the first investment comes in. So indirectly, you're going to make a 42% on your investment. Okay.
That's a very interesting model. They are inviting preferential shares at this moment, while the valuation is triggered on when the first round of funding happens. And obviously that because now they've deployed a lot of capital and everything is going on, the valuation would certainly get very high. And if at a certain stage, say a year from now, they value, because at this stage promoter equity is going in and they're putting their own equity in the business, and which is a good sign because the company is well funded at this moment. And as the company goes to a level where next year, say they value at a X level, 40% discount on that valuation would become your shareholding. It's like you coming as an angel in the business model, and you get the overriding equity gain at the valuation of whenever the Series A happens, or something of that nature happens. So it's a good model, very, very interesting model. If you are thinking to participate at a franchise or unit level from a leasing viewpoint and have an appetite and take multi units kind of thing, then you can do it. And if you want to participate at the company level, you want to be participating at the valuation level, then also there are opportunity. Both opportunities are very, very interesting. So few questions in terms of when we deal these unit things, you want minimum units, and how do you classify, Amni sir, in terms of what people can choose? Is first come first basis? People would get, because now everybody would like top sites. Everybody wants the high traffic sites. So it's going to be first come first basis, and how are you going to do that?
Okay, right now we have 10,000 units available for lease in the market. So anybody who's going with the 1,000 unit investment, right? So we will be giving them a share of the metro and the airport business to them. Okay. Others, they can go for retail outlet kind of wherever it is possible, and portion of metro. Airport will not be available for them. So anything below 1,000 investment, they will not get a metro airport, but they'll get a portion of metros, and they will get a retail outlets. So this is something which has been designed from the back end. So we will tell you for according to investment where and all your stations will be put in. Each station got a station ID. So that station ID record will be coming to you on your message. You have a login system in the Spike where you will get to know what is the daily transaction happening in each of this stuff. But we will make sure that you are according to investment, you get a very good return overall. And it's a mismatch of everything will be coming to you. But anybody investing more than 1,000 will surely get those airport share.
High travel locations, which are airport locations, you would get it when you invest more than 1,000 stations. And you can, even if you make a commitment of 1,000, you can phase it out also, because everybody wants to do that. And I think the second question is that we have a 3-year window, and a lot of people would like to come and commit today. But we also know that in next 3 to 4 months, the business might be slow. So would you consider giving 3 to 4 months of extension? Say, I come to invest today.
Today you invest. Your 3-year period will start only when the market get open more than 60-70%, where the government announced you're safer to move out and business start happening. It could be any time possible. It could be from Jan possible, it could be October possible, it could be December. We will get to know. As we get to know, we'll send you a letter and we say, because we also know how much of usage is happening in our machines. So once we come to a level wherein that each station is getting a good rental happening, we'll announce it yes, your meter start from today.
It's very interesting. You can participate now. Because you can pick up the right.
Whatever in this 3 months gap, 1 month to 3 months, whatever gap it is, whatever earning comes in, that also comes to you only.
Yeah. So you get actually your 3 years, not really 3 years. It would also get 3 to 4, 5 months, depending on where we are, get extended from an earning viewpoint. Actually, it comes as a bonus to you, because when the business is back, you get full 3 years run. And in this interim period also, even if you are doing a lesser efficiency, you still get money. But it is a good situation for you to lock the spots, because these spots are very interesting, and this can be a good passive investment for you. Another question people are saying, is there any kind of their requirement? They don't have to put any OPEX. It's just about that you have leased it. It's only on you. So you don't have any recurring. So it's a good passive investment. You put in that money, and money is sweat out for you, and continue to do that. The entire management is handled by the company itself.
So if somebody want to play an active role, we can sit with them later on. Once this all get, maybe the next level, once the market get open, we'll surely sit with them and they can play an active role as a franchisee. Some
of them are asking, there are some people asking, Mr. Karmakar is asking if he wants to start with, say, 10 units. It would be a possibility, and he can grow. Because
you can start in any number of units.
Yeah. Excellent. So you can start with any number of units.
If you're already into a business, you can even put this station in your premise also. So that is also possible. And start from there.
Yeah, it is also good for current retailers or people who have their own footfall, or they have some kind of captive facility, or they have some bigger region, so they can also use that. So it's a good opportunity, very good opportunity. Reach out quickly if you are interested in taking that. I would like to invite Sonia. Sonia, your remarks and questions for Ramani sir, please.
Yeah. I'd like to say thank you so much, Ramani sir, for coming in today. I would say it's a privilege for all of us to hear you. And congratulations on yet another successful venture that you have launched. And we equally feel the opportunity is very large as far as India is concerned, because we have seen how India has been using smartphones. And as we speak today, the users in India have touched 500 million, which is a very big number. And there's a massive adoption of people, how they use and the various things they use in their day-to-day activity. The usage of phone has gone very high. Another thing which I want to add on, because sharing economy is becoming very, very big in India, like it has been in many international markets. Things like cars, bike, houses, furniture, workspace, all are examples of sharing economy. And today we are seeing a big wave of innovation as far as micro rental market is concerned. And Spike is a big innovation as far as this industry is concerned. And second, I would say convenience. While it looks like a very simple thing, but I feel convenience is extremely big, and people don't like carrying their power banks everywhere. And second reason why I feel it should go up is because of the 5G mobile phones. People will start using them, and that requires a little higher consumption of power in the coming times. And today, the next generation of sharing economy actually focuses on two big elements. One is community, which includes even the suppliers, and second is curating experience for customers. I feel looking at all of that, this is a great model which is very futuristic and started with China, because China is similar to India with high number of people using actually mobile phones, and this has been extremely successful there. So few questions which I like to pick up, because comparatively in India this industry is big. Any understanding of how you feel this opportunity is currently pegged at, and what is the opportunity size for us to understand?
Opportunity size in the sense?
For this industry, how big?
So I have the 10,000 unit available, right? So the 10,000 is ready available right now. That's an opportunity you have now.
Okay. And there are a couple of more questions which I see, because there's an initial investment and security deposit which one would make. Are there any operating expenses or any other overheads as a working capital which an individual would need at his end?
No, nothing is required. Only thing they invested, that's it. They'll start getting the earnings.
Okay. And what happens on the maintenance? Because I see some of the investors, prospective people who are writing in, is there any responsibility of the maintenance which the investor would have?
There's no responsibility at all. The maintenance will be taken care by us. Even any thing gets stolen, anything happens, that also in our head only. They have not responsible for any of those stuff.
Okay. And what kind of power consumption every station would have is one of the questions which
one station will consume 1,000 rupees for a year.
Okay.
Yeah. And the optimum usage.
So what kind of profile of people do you think are the right fit, because it does not require a lot of people to be actively engaged in the day-to-day operations. And I think one area where people can be used is acquisition of maybe places or institutions where a potential tie-up can happen. And second is the fulfillment part, which is taken care by the company. So one model, which is a lease model, where you already have these spots, which have been these captive spots, which can be leased out to the investor or the franchisee. Do you also see a possibility where he also comes in and he participates in the acquisition as well of maybe the neighborhood wherever he's present, one? And if that is the case, what kind of jurisdiction or the area can be allocated in a structure like this?
So within this 10 city, as I told you, we can allocate, because right now we have the responsibility of deploying almost 16,000 plus stations. So we are going to more focus in catering to these places, because we see these are the places where the maximum usage is going to happen. Okay. So then we'll take it to the area wise. As I told you, once the market get improved, then I'll open up those kind of opportunities to you all, the people already in the part of the chain, and they can participate in their own local area to get more installations.
Okay. Another question which I, because I was reading about your recent investments also, and you talked about an equity structure where investors can also participate in the company. Is that participation only limited to this model, or the other investments also you bringing in? I think recently you participated with a tech company which is into wearables. So this investment of equity structure will include future investments and existing investments, or will be limited to only this power bank sharing platform solutions?
No. This particular investment is only for the Spike Innovation, that company. So whatever we bring in, like recently we launched, I have one more video is there. I'll just WhatsApp. If you can play this, will be great. The new initiative which we have done with government of Karnataka now.
Right.
With the COVID.
Correct.
Quarantine
management
system,
right.
which is actually, I'm going to take it across India, like other states also shown interest now.
Right.
We're getting calls from Dubai and Bangladesh and everywhere the requirement has already come in. We're catering to it. So if you're going for investment in the CCPS model, any revenue generated from these business also you get the benefit.
All right. So that becomes a bigger opportunity, which is not limited to only
wonderful stuff. I'm just sharing the detail to you right now. 1 second. Some of them are asking to explain things in their language. So I can speak Bengali, I can speak Tamil, I can speak Hindi, other language again.
Yeah, I did see that request from one of our viewers who wanted to perhaps understand in Tamil. He could not in English.
But we can also explain things in Telugu and Malayalam also. There's no problem. If anybody want any language, this thing I can explain it to them.
You want us to play the video, sir?
They can understand the bigger picture of the company.
Right, right.
It's already sent to you.
Ashna, have you received that?
Just received it. Just give me 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay.
I think it's probably 1 minute to download. Just give me 1 minute.
Sure. I'm kind of looking at more questions, sir, which are coming in. Any questions which you particularly want to take up?
Was there in the rental when you give is GST also is applicable on the rental part?
Right.
Yeah.
GST. So the point, like in the GST settlement cannot be happening to them directly because I will be taking the credit. So that's the reason I'm just giving the amount what you're paying along with the GST, right? I'm just giving that as a return to you.
Sure.
Okay. So I added that in here, and so securing the entire investment, and later on I'm doing a 60-40 kind of understanding.
Sure. It's very helpful. Yeah.
So you can share my number if anybody want to know, understand in their own local language, I can explain it to them.
Sure, absolutely.
So what we can do, I think while Ashna downloads the video, we'll also request maybe if you can advise us on a date where we can filter the inquiries which have come in today, and we'll bring them on a maybe Zoom or a call with you for a detailed discussion on this opportunity. Any day that you feel in this week or the coming week?
Any day, just give me at least 3 hours of notice.
Okay. All right.
So we will put 2 dedicated people from our team, and these 2 people would work on for the next 3-4 days to work with all the leads which have been compiled and structured, filtered them out, and then take your time and organize your meetings. Sonia, you want to share who are the 2 people which you want to be working?
Yeah, we have Mithun sir, you already, in fact, he's worked with you before, and we have one team member from our Chennai market, and these two members will create a group and they'll filter all the inquiries which have come in, and we'll try to reach out. If we can fix up a date, you mentioned 3 hours, we can try and do it by the 7th of this month, which is 7th August. If that day suits you, we'll take some time out during the day and we'll bring these filtered prospects to you for a call.
Sure.
2020ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡೀ ಪ್ರಪಂಚಕ್ಕೆ ಒಕ್ಕರಿಸಿದ ಮಹಾಮಾರಿ ಈ ಕೊರೋನಾ. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಈವರೆಗೂ 15 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಂದಿಗೆ ತಗುಲಿರುವ ಈ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಕಂಗೆಡಿಸಿತು. ಇದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲೂ ಭಯ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರುವುದಂತೂ ನಿಜ, ಸಹಜ. ಈ ಕೊರೋನಾ ನಿಮಗೂ ಚಿಂತೆಯಾಗಿದೆಯೇ? ಚಿಂತಿಸಬೇಡಿ. ನೀವು ಕೊರೋನಾ ಸೋಂಕಿತರಾಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಿಟ್ ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಔಷಧಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ.
I'm sending English one. Sorry, this Kannada came in. Sorry. There's a new file which has come in. You will understand better. This is a typical band which I'm just giving it to the government. So if people are into home quarantine, COVID positive home quarantine, they need to wear and their family member need to wear. But today what is happening, like if people are sealing their door with all the tin sheet and wooden planks and all, so they can't come out. So instead of that, I'm just giving them this tag, and this tag will be worn in every residence in that house, and so that their movement is being tracked. So everything is geo fencing is done along in their house, so they can't go out of their house in any point of a time. Once they do that, we will get in our call center an intimation. We try to go out of the area.
Very, very interesting tool. I think this can be taken to the states very fast, and people can also.
So, if you listen to the video completely, you'll understand it. Again, I've been thinking like how I can contribute to that stuff, the current COVID situation. So this idea popped up, and we thought I will bring it here. So we also have another kind of a thing where we do tracking and other thing. We may have ID card. This is not a part of Spike. It's another entity where we have this tracker for Alzheimer patients and all. So we just have bells and lockets and other thing kind of format available, GPS based, where an Alzheimer patient can just wear it and we'll be able to track where they are. So normally these kind of a cases are a lot, and police, according to the police, a huge amount of these kind of a loss. People, elderly people getting they're not able to tell their address. They're not able to reach home, right? Those kind of cases are there. So this will help them. Worldwide, this problem is there. So we are manufacturing, tying up with big brands like Armani's and all the biggies. So they'll be selling these bells under the brands. So people can be tracked possible. And also for students, school students and all, we also have ID cards we manufacture. And the ID cards, normally you have it, right? This ID card can be a multi-purpose kind of a thing, not only accessing school kind of a thing. The parents can also track them where they are right now. And it also gives you a complete report on it, how much time they spend on a gym, how much in the playground, how much time they spend on the canteen. All the reports will come to them. We also have something called CCTV, face recognition kind of a product with the thermal temperature reader. So even that product is also available. We are also into that. So any office can put this particular product, and even this I can offer it to you on a franchisee model on another call. So totally there are 7 ventures which I started off. Spike is one, and rest all I just been in.
The corona pandemic has now affected the entire world. In India, this pandemic has already affected upwards of 15 lakh people and has caused numerous deaths. Such statistics and facts cause fear among people, but such fear is natural. This pandemic may or may not end up affecting you in the near future. Does this scare you? Do not fear it. If affected by corona, the government will provide you with a corona kit, which contains the necessary medication and a wristband. To sync this wristband with your phone, first go to Play Store on your phone and download the IMSafe app on your device. Select User and scan the QR code on your wristband with your phone. Turn on the band and tie it to your wrist. Turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and pair it with the wristband. click on the I am here button in the app. This button starts geofencing in 100 feet circumference around you. This means you're not supposed to exit this geofenced area or disable this feature for a quarantine period of 14 days. If this boundary is crossed, then an alert is sent to the admin monitoring you. Wearing the wristband and following the given guidelines will protect you and your loved ones.
Very interesting. I think this can also be a good opportunity. We can take a full review on that maybe in a couple of other sessions. Bring in this as an opportunity, because I think this can continue to be an opportunity in times to come, because I think this is a beginning of a new era where people would need to see that how they continue to not get into any further infections, or this is only one viral we are talking about, but looking at the world, and all these things, there would be a way of doing things now going forward. A lot of learning has come, a lot of damage has come through this piece. So I think people will use these wearable devices to know a lot of things around their environments and so on and so forth. So thank you very much, Ramani sir. You took up a lot of more than 1 hour with us and shared a business idea. It's always good to have you. You're a very passionate entrepreneur and has contributed both in terms of creating a lot of valuable businesses and also helping the economy. So, and you continue to bring in new ideas, and we will continue to take these ideas to the market. Thank you very much for your time. Over to you for giving us a last words from your side, and any message you want to pass to the larger business community. It'll be good to hear from you. And
you see, earning a name is the most difficult thing, and I spent my 26 years in Just Dial and got some credibility and some name in the market. So I like to protect this for sure. So your investment, anything will be taken care for sure. Okay. I'm not doing all this thing to make more and more wealth kind of a thing. It's as I told you, I just completed my 25 years in Just Dial last year. And the second thing, like I turned also 50. And I thought like in the next 10 years, maybe I should do something more than what I've been doing in Just Dial. So I'm just got to venture into these kind of crazy ideas, which has been popping up in my mind. I've always been there. These ideas have been there in my mind time and again, it's to come, but I just leave it loose and give it to somebody else. But yeah, I don't work type. So now I decided like maybe I should spend time in executing these stuff. That's how I've been able to venture into so many stuff. And team, I've been very lucky. I'm just telling you, for all my ventures, I got a very good team, and 80% of the people have been ex-Just Dial guys whom I personally groomed and trained them, and they all came to Just Dial as a first job type. So I personally groomed and trained them and made them a whatever they are today type. They all showed interest to get back to my company. So that's how, in such a small time span, I could build so many businesses and able to achieve that kind of a success again. Deploying in 10,000 units kind of a business is not easy joke, right? Gaurav had seen like in the last meeting we had, we just conceptualized, we didn't even have the product in our hand. We just had a prototype with us. Then we got it manufactured, and then within a month period, we saw a success rate. Like we started marketing and all. Within a month period, we saw that, yeah, then this lockdown wouldn't have happened. We'd have been some other level altogether for sure. Okay. And as the investment part of it concerned, this is $1 billion business in China. There are 5 major guys who have put in money into this business in abroad, and billions of dollars they invest on these businesses. Okay. And sure, that kind of a story will be done over here. So the people are looking at investing as a CCPS model. Your money also will get surely multiplied. Okay? And the very interesting, like the 3 of those companies who have put in money into the Chinese story are also invested in Just Dial. And they already shown interest to the Indian market, but we are just hoping like a 3 round of talk has already happened. So maybe they'll be taking a call very soon. So that benefit you're going to get for sure. So I'm there for you all. So
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Really appreciate. Sonia, over to you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, sir. And I would say you're a big proponent of the fact that businesses have to make profit and they need to serve the society. I think you've maintained that always whenever you've started or served the community at large. And all your businesses so far are a reflection of a lot of co-creation where consumers are the most important stakeholder every time you have worked and contributed on these businesses. And I believe most of the successful brands and businesses, they focus on users and not buyers. And I feel your current business and all the businesses you've been are a testimony to the fact that you've actually ingrained and positioned your brand not in the minds of customers, but actually in the lives of people, and they remember it in their day-to-day activities and usage. So at Franchise India, we wish you all the best for all the businesses that you have been and that continue to come in. And it's again a privilege, I would say, to have you with us, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Archana, you thank you word.
Thank you so much, Ramni sir. Yes, it's a privilege interacting with you digitally. Thank you so much, all the friends who have joined us today. Thank you, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am, for sharing insights on industry and on brand. You can connect with us at our business hotline number to book your slot for Discovery Day, which we have scheduled on 7th of August, where you have a chance to have a direct one-to-one interaction with Ramni sir. Book your slot at 97176 83838. That's our hotline number. You can also share your suggestions, feedback, any other business query at the same business hotline number. You can connect with Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their respective LinkedIn IDs. The information is there on your screen. But before you go, tomorrow we are again presenting you one of the important brand. Tomorrow we are celebrating our 80th edition of this webinar series, and we have representing its brand chain of laundromat which follow the international standards. So do not miss this chance. Register yourself today. You can also send your query at 97176 from our side to attend the show tomorrow. Thank you so much once again for joining us today. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks everyone.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.